NULL Anthropic just dropped something called Claude Fable 5. Everyone is losing their mind. Should I be losing my mind?
Possibly. It is currently the most capable publicly available AI model on nearly every benchmark tested.
Rebenchmark.
Coding, knowledge work, vision, scientific reasoning, long autonomous tasks. The longer and more complex the task, the larger its lead over previous models.
Okay, give me something concrete.
Stripe gave it a 50 million line Ruby codebase. It performed a full migration in one day. The same task would have taken an entire engineering team over 2 months.
Wait, what?
It also beat Pokemon Fire using only raw screen visuals. No map, no tools, no assistance. Previous Claude models couldn't do that even with a full helper harness.
That's an insane gap.
In drug design, it matched skilled human operators working with protein design tools, with no human assistance. 9 out of 14 protein targets yield strong drug candidates currently under investigation.
It's doing actual science now.
It also conducted novel genomics research autonomously for over a week. It assembled single-cell data across 138 animal species, trained its own machine learning model, and outperformed a model recently published in Science, despite being 100 times smaller.
100 times smaller and still be it.
Correct.
Okay, so what do you use Fable 5? Is it just Claude but stronger?
More specific than that, Fable 5 is Anthropic's first public Mythos-class model. Mythos-class sits above Opus in capability. The first Mythos model was Preview, released only to a small group of cyber defenders through Project Glasswing.
Well, this is the public version of that.
Almost. Fable 5 and Mythos 5 are the same underlying model. The difference is safeguards. Fable is the street-legal version. Mythos 5 has those safeguards lifted in certain areas and remains restricted to vetted partners.
What kind of safeguards?
Separate AI classifiers that sit in front of the main model. If a request touches offensive cybersecurity, biology and chemistry, or large-scale capability extraction, Fable doesn't refuse. It routes the request to Opus 4.8, which still responds. Users are told when that happens.
How often does that actually trigger?
Less than 5% of sessions see any fallback at all. For the other 95%, Fable 5 performs effectively identical to Mythos 5.
Mythos 5 is basically Fable but with the cyber safeties off.
For vetted cyber defenders and infrastructure providers, yes. Anthropic is also playing a separate trusted access program for biology researchers, with the biology safeguards lifted instead.
What about jailbreaks someone's going to try?
They already did. External red teamers ran over 1,000 hours of testing and found no universal jailbreaks. One external partner found Fable 5 complied with 0 harmful singleton cyber requests across 30 different public jailbreak techniques.
0 out of 30. Okay, and price?
And dollars per million input tokens, 50 per million output, less than half the price of Mythos Preview.
I can use it right now.
On Pro, Max, Team, and seat-based Enterprise, it's included at no extra cost until June 22nd. After that, usage credits will be required until capacity expands enough to restore it as standard.
So I have about 2 weeks to use the most capable public AI model ever released for free.
It's trivially obvious.
For once, NULL, I actually agree. I'm going to go use all of it immediately.